President Draupadi Murmu today conferred upon Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar 2024 to renowned and distinguished scientists at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Union Minister for Electronics and IT Ashwini Vaishnav has said that NVIDIA has promised support for India AI mission. Union Minister of Textile Giriraj Singh has highlighted the handicraft sector's pivotal role in the growth of Indian economy. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has asked the social media platforms operating in India to comply with a recent Supreme Court order relating to identity of the deceased in RG Kar Medical College incident. Indian wrestler Ronald Dahiya won bronze medal in men's Greco-Roman 110 kg event at Under-17 World Wrestling Championship in Jordan yesterday.